Eventually, you'll have a stylus.
Oh, okay.
I won't have to do this.
I mean, you can't really do anything on a job site without the electricity. You could dig, put the foundation in, then you get kind of stuck. So you need the electricians to do the other stuff. To get you going in the right direction. You need light, you need power. My dad was an electrician. He was an electrician, he started in the service, he was in the Air Force, and then he transitioned to working for 3M, and I mean, he eventually transitioned out of the trade. But he was an electrician, and so understanding what he did every day and seeing him work was interesting.
So, tell me a little more about that. So, did you get a chance to work with your pop?
I did, not always doing electrical work, just doing any kind of home renovation or sometimes some commercial things too.
That is fed from the main distribution panel on the other side of the skating rink. This panel, the disconnect right now is off. It's 3-phase Y system 208-120. We have the A, B, and a C phase. It leaves from here and goes over to the motor control panel. The motor control panel has a breaker for the motor, and it has a breaker for the controls. The controls are 120. We already talked about the motor's 3-phase. There's a hand selector switch on the side of this panel, which has a forward, an off, and a reverse. When you turn the selector switch to reverse, it pulls in the contactor here, which energizes the motor and powers the ride. When you turn the selector switch to reverse, it energizes this contactor, which in turn turns the ride in reverse. And then once you turn the selector switch back to off, it releases the contactor and the ride comes to a standstill. I can get this one undone.
And you was teasing me yesterday.
No, right now I can't get this one apart.
Wait,
Are you standing on it?
Am I on it? How are you going to fix this?
So we're going to disconnect the main power. We're going to disconnect the two motors. commutator, which is this section here. But this part up here is an accessory to the commutator.
Wait, should we look at the illustrated guide for roller coasters?
We absolutely can. What I understand happened is that there were some sparks and fire, as you can see, but the ground and maybe one of the phases had a short or disconnected it and caused some problems. The wires over here actually split.
So you're replacing that?
So we're going to replace it.
All right, now you got to display it like I just won it. You know?
Like you just won it.
Like I just won it.
So our connection points for the different phases, A, B, and C, and a ground.
She makes a huge sacrifice to be here, you know, to help out with these classes. So when you guys see her moving around, you know, her presence here is very purposeful. So if you guys want to pelt her with questions, pelt her, Dana, listen, very rarely will you meet a woman that understands complicated mechanical systems.